Hey friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jess and I am so glad you're here. I'm an event planner and designer in Los Angeles, California. So if you are looking for advice on all things event planning, please consider subscribing. Today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about how to properly set up your reception table. Let's get started with the charger. A charger is basically a larger plate that you would use for design purposes only for special events like a wedding. Next, you want to place your main course plate, and depending on your menu, if you have extra rentals, that would be the salad plate would go on top of that, and even the soup bowl. To the upper left-hand corner, you would place your bread and butter plate. This is the fun part, which is the napkin folding. Now, I'll go into a different video in the future on how to do different napkin folding, but this one, I basically just tie a knot. That's all I do. I do it for a lot of my weddings because it looks so simple yet elegant, and I know it's easier said than done for this one, but yeah, this is just a simple way of how I do this one, but you can definitely do whichever one you feel most comfortable with. Oh, and don't forget the menu card if you have one. Then we have the glassware. Typically those are 3 items, including the champagne flute, then comes the wine glass, and then right about here where the arrow is pointing would be your water goblet. Now you don't have to have all 3 items, it just depends on what you rented from a rental company. I'm going to go ahead and play it again right here so you can see it because the first one was a little bit cut off, but you can see here I placed it pretty much diagonally. For cutlery on the right side, go ahead and take your knife, and then you would have your soup spoon, and then on the left side you would have your fork for your main course, and then you would have your salad fork. The reason for this is the knife and the fork will be touched last, so you want that as close to the plate as possible, and then the salad and soup spoon would be for appetizers. Now, if you have a dessert spoon or a dessert fork, that would be placed right in the middle where you saw me place it. That would be a much smaller spoon than this one, but this is just an example. Last but not least, we're going to go ahead and place the place card, so that way your guests know exactly where they're sitting. And this is the final result. Alright, and there you have it. That is how you properly set it up. It's super easy, but there are kind of some rules as to where things should go. I hope that helped you, and I will see you guys at the next video. Bye!